Hi, welcome to my channel. I am Saba. HTML Introduction. What is HTML? HTML is the standard markup language for creating web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. HTML describes the structure of web page. HTML consists of a series of elements. HTML elements tell the browser to how to display the content. HTML elements are represented by tags. HTML tags label pieces of content such as heading, paragraphs, table, and so on. Browser do not display the HTML tags, but use them to render the content of the page. HTML tags. HTML tags are element names surrounded by angle brackets. Content goes here. HTML tags. HTML tags normally come in pair like this. The first tag in a pair is the start tag. The second tag is the end tag. The end tag is written like the start tag but with a forward slash inserted before the tag name. The doc type HTML declaration defines the document to HTML5. The HTML element is the root of element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the document. The title element specifies a title for the document. The body element contains the visible page content. The H1 element defines a large heading. The P element defines a paragraph. Write the code in Notepad, then save with the name of index.html. Then open it in your browser. The result shown you like this. For more videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.